Uy, dumating na! Sobrang inaantay ko ito. This is the Infinix na GT30 Pro. And this is the official phone ng MPL. So guys, right now i-unbox ko, papakita ko sa inyo itong bagong release na gaming phone ni Infinix. And what's so exciting about this one? Samahan niyo ako. This package also comes together with the gaming kit. Meron siya kasamang special na case plus isang mag-charge na cooler. I'm pretty sure na sobra kayo excited dito sa phone na ito. And here are some quick specs na you should be expecting, no? It's a Dimensity 8350 Ultimate na 5.5G and meron siyang 1.5K na 144Hz na AMOLED gaming display. Plus, meron siyang GT trigger. For the first time, probably, no, you'll be seeing a trigger dito sa Infinix na phone. So, since it's a MPL collaborated na phone, yan, no, guys, no? Ganda. Pakita ko sa inyo. Yan. Okay? So, ito yung original box niya, ganito yung itsura niya. And looks really nice and very mecha design. So, basically, pag sinabi mo mecha, talagang parang gaming-centric na yan, no? So, inside, we have this one, a pouch. No? Pagbuksan natin, you'll see yung SIM ejector pin niya. You get a warranty card, your user guide, nandito rin. And of course, yung case mo. Yan. Okay? Frosted. Okay? Basta muna natin the other stuff. We also have a 45 watts na fast charging brick. And of course, you have your cable na nandito nakatago. Of course, right now, basta muna natin ito. Yan. Yun. Uy, so abe, ang ganda. Ayan. Meka yung kanyang design. And I love yung kanyang camera bulb dito. Very simple, yet looks quite sophisticated, no? And ito ang kanyang itsura. And here is yung kanyang air triggers, no? Na first one, ni Infinix, no? By far, And sa ilalim, this is how it looks like. Ganda ng kanyang mechanical light wheel. So guys, tingnan nyo. No? So, yeah. Guys, MPL na MPL, Mobile Legends. No? And it's really nice, no? And by far, I would say na I've tested quite a few games already. CODM, Fahrenheit 84, ML, and Wuthering Waves, Genshin Impact. I would say smooth. Yun naman sabi ko sa inyo. So far, that's as far as I can say. Quite smooth siya. And kung gusto mo i-tease ko kayo na Antutu benchmark, eto, ang kanyang score. Tara, i-breakdown natin. Yun, no? Look. So if you want more about ito phone na ito, si Infinix GT30 Pro, don't forget to subscribe and follow para makita niyo full review natin dito sa phone na ito. And I'll see you around.